Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Introduction to Dance. Missy Lilje coming to you with session 5. And today we're going to talk about how do we situate multicultural dance education with comparative frameworks. At the heart of the multicultural dance study is the comparative process. This means that we need to put ourselves in the place of differing perspectives, feel that and compare them. This helps us to interpret information on a deeper level. So there are two main categories of perspectives. We have the emic perspectives and the etic perspectives. So emic perspectives are like insider information. A perspective for somebody who is on the inside of a community or a group or a dance event. You have insider knowledge. The etic perspective is kind of the outsider's viewpoint. What kinds of hints and information can you gather without having the insider information, just by being in the environment or observing the environment? So, as we often like to do, let's turn the focus back onto you. So can you think of an example of a situation where you are an insider? Think of that. And if you can, think of an example that includes movement, maybe a dance event type of a thing, where you would be considered an insider. Okay? Now, can you think of a dance event or a movement experience where you would be an outsider? And how that could be different. Now, here's another thing. Let's imagine that you are in that outsider situation. You're using your etic perspective to gather information. How could you gather clues and tips from the environment, from the things that are happening, the people that are moving, the way that they're moving, when it's happening, where it's happening, how it's happening, what people are wearing? From your etic perspective, grabbing information from there. Then going into your emic example that you just came up with for yourself and comparing the two. Does that emic perspective help give you some more insight into interpreting what you're seeing with the outsider perspective? So that's an example of kind of cross-cultural or comparative study that we love to use when we're looking at dance events. All right, so I hope that you want to do some maybe writing about this, and definitely find somebody to talk to about this. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you.